Norwich started off from London Liverpool Street, and that'd be calling it Dis and Norwich.
Now
Coming into Stowmarket.
And the number of the train is...
You are 82105. 105, and that is forming the 1652 Greater Anglia service to Norwich from London Liverpool Street. Be calling it Dis and Norwich. So see in a bit when this 1652 Greater Anglia service to Norwich departs from Stowmarket, and it is 82105, and I'll find out what the rear is when it leaves Stowmarket. See in a bit. Slowly getting ready to depart now is your 1652 Greater Anglia service to Norwich from London Liverpool Street, and number at the front is 82105, and it's just slowly getting ready to depart now, boy, from Stowmarket. Let's find out what the rear is. 112.50, what? 50 on one of the carriages. Let's find out what you are at the rear. You are 90. Oh, come on. 90003. And then the barriers should stay down. If they stay down. Oh no, the barriers are going up. See you in a bit.